Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, in our sixth lesson, inshallah, we are going to go through these four letters. So we have Ta, Dha, Ain, and Ghain. Ta, Dha, Ain, and Ghain. Inshallah, let's jump into it. So we have Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Ta, Dha, Ta, Dha, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Sin, Ta, Shin. We have Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain. We have Ta, Ain, Dha, Ghain, Dal, Ta, Dhal, Ghain. We have Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha. Then we have Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain. We have Alif, Ta, Ba, Dha, Ta, Ain, Fa, Alif. We have Ba, Ghain, Ta, Ghain. Then we have Ra, Ta, Za, Dha. Then we have Ta, Ta. These are Ta when they are joined together, and these are Dha, Dha when they are joined together. Then we have Ain and Ain. Look at Ain, the second Ain, how it changes its shape. This is the first Ain and this is the second Ain. Then we have Ghain, Ghain. Just remember the difference are the dots. Look at Ghain, it has one dot above it and the other Ghain. Then we have Dal, Sin, and lastly we have Alif. Let's go through it one more time. Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Ta, Dha, Ta, Dha, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Sin, Ta, Shin. Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ghain, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Ta, Ain, Dha, Ghain, Dal, Ta, Dhal, Ghain, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Alif, Ta, Ba, Dha, Ta, Ain, Fa, Alif, Ba, Ghain, Ta, Ghain, Ra, Ta, Za, Dha, Ta, Ta, Dha, Dha, Ain, Ain, Ghain, Ghain, Dal, Sin, and lastly Alif. As always, inshallah, if you do not understand, please go through it again and again until you feel you are comfortable. Inshallah, see you in the other lesson. Ma'as salam.